bunch of little things have led up to this moment here. Honestly, since I've put this thing together and got this boat going again, I have kind of liked that the motor looked old and beat up and the boat kind of matches it. But after going through a few lower units, I ended up with a Mariner. It was gray. Couldn't have that. So I painted it black, and then the lower unit looked new. And then I did my exhaust snout, so I painted the whole midsection, and the whole midsection looked new. And now the bottom of the motor looks new, and the cowl looks old and beat. And to be honest, that didn't bother me too much, but I ended up backing a trailer over this thing, took a big chunk out of the top, cracked the side over there, and it doesn't fit together that good anymore. And for me, that was kind of the last straw. So I decided let's put a nicer cowl on this thing. And I had thought about saving my pennies up for a Pro Max or a Bridgeport, or switching to like a 90s style Black Max cowl where it's like a pan bottom and a hood on the top. But yeah, I mean, I looked at all the different styles, I looked at all the different logos and colors and everything, and I think I got to stick with an XR4 clamshell from 1988. I mean, I don't know what it is, it matches the boat, it's what came on the boat, I like it. And this thing's a 200, it's not even an XR4, but I got to have the XR4 on there. And I like the clamshells because they come apart so easy, and it's nice to do maintenance on the engine and get a look at everything like that. But yeah, so I got another 1988 XR4 cowl. We're going to clean it up, we're going to paint it, put new stickers on it, and we're going to put it on and take this thing out on the water. Okay, I got these things cleaned up and scratched up a little bit. Let's go spray some paint on them. Now this says to use Quicksilver's primer and clear coat to go along with this, but we're just going to pretend like I didn't see that part. Alright, let's see if I can put these stickers on straight. Oh, man. Does this look good, or does this look like some idiot tried to make it look good? As of right now, I do not know. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know about this. It's like too shiny, too nice. Maybe we go splash around in the river and get some water spots all over it. Maybe that'll help, but as of right now, I'm kind of missing my old beat up looking cowl. Let's get it out on the river. Let's go see it on the river. Alright, let's get this thing fired up. boat because last week I came out here and I lost water pressure. We had to get towed in so it wouldn't overheat. Took the lower unit off, expecting to find a burned up water pump or just wood jammed in there or something, and the copper tube that runs from the lower unit to the bottom of the motor was actually broken in half. So super unusual failure, but I had another one laying around, so I put it in, and so far so good. It looked to me like the old copper tube had a bend in it, like at some point somebody tried to jam the lower up on and it wasn't lined up and it bent, and I think it finally just broke at that bend. But the one I put in is straight and it seems to be working good so far. It does look pretty freaking fancy, I'll give it that. Okay, now that I see it from outside the boat, I have to admit, it does look pretty good. I feel like I have to shine up the whole rest of the boat now, though. Sitting here and I hear a bunch of noise and there's a frickin' plane in the water. Oh, there it goes. Damn island's right in the way. Where's he at? Alright guys, it's growing on me. I think I like it. What do you think? Let me know. What do you think of this? Is it too much? I think it will fade a little bit. Enough driving around, the sun's going down. Let's get this thing back on the trailer. Alright guys, so I was a little unsure at first, but I'm happy with how this thing turned out. It's a cool little project and I think it came out good. If you didn't already know, you can get that Mercury paint or Mariner paint, Force paint, whatever, online. I got it from Amazon. And then for the decals, I found these on eBay. There's a few brands on there selling a bunch of different old Outboard decals. You can pretty much find any of the old Black Max variations on there, and probably a lot of others too. So it's pretty cool and it's pretty easy. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.